Hello everyone. Let's look at how to add integers and what are the rules for adding them. So when the signs of the numbers are positive, when both the numbers have positive signs, then the operation that needs to be done is addition, and the sign of the answer will be positive. For example, 3 plus 2 is 5. When both the numbers have a negative sign, then again you need to do addition, but the sign of the answer will be a negative sign. For example, minus 4 plus minus 2, 4 plus 2 is 6, and then the sign is negative. Then when you have 1 plus and 1 minus sign, you need to do subtraction, and you need to give the sign of the bigger number. So for example, 4 plus minus 2 is 2, right? Because 4 minus 2 is 2, and the sign of the bigger number is positive, so it's going to be a plus. Then when you have 1 minus and 1 plus, again it is subtraction, and the result or the answer should have the sign of the bigger number. For example, minus 7 plus 2, 7, when you subtract 2 from 7, how much is left? 5. And the sign of the bigger number is 7 here, so the bigger number sign is minus, so the final result will also be minus. Okay, so let's look at some problems. Here we have minus 3 plus 4. So you have a minus and a plus sign, so you need to subtract. So subtract 3 from 4, you get 1, and the sign of the bigger number is plus, so it needs to be a plus 1, which you will not be writing, you just leave it as 1. Then again here you have 3 plus minus 7. There's a positive number 3 and a negative number 7. So subtract 3 from 7, you are left with 4, and the sign of the bigger number is minus, so put a minus here. Look at this problem, minus 4 plus minus 4. So you have two negative numbers, you need to add and put the sign of the negative, put the negative sign. Okay, so 4 plus 4 is 8, and the sign will be minus. Now look at the last one, 9 plus minus 5. Again it's a positive number and a negative number, plus and minus. So plus and minus means subtract and put the sign of the bigger number. So subtract 5 plus 9, subtract 5 from 9, you get 4, and the sign of the bigger number is 9 here. The sign of the bigger number is plus, which we won't be actually writing. It's just understood that 4 written as is a positive number. Okay, I hope you understood this. Thank you.